In today's world, if you want to get rich, you need to act like a rich person. And what do rich people do? They read books. In today's video, I'm going to give you the 8 best books that made me rich. Before we get to the video, please drop a like, subscribe, and let's get rolling. At number 1, we have a very interesting book called Secrets of Closing the Sale by Zig Ziglar. It's an amazing book that has taught me sales, marketing, and overall talking to people. I highly recommend you to start that book and to get rolling with it. You need to read about 100 pages a day to see success in your day-to-day life. And why do you think I say 100 pages? I'll tell you why. You may think 100 pages is a lot, but actually it's not. It's the minimal amount that you should read if you want to become rich fast. Another thing is that reading helps you talk more clearly, and also reading directly makes you a better person. What do I mean by that? Let me tell you. When you read, you get an aspect of all the people's life, from the authors to the people inside, and you get the story inside your head, and by doing that you get a clearer view to life. So by you doing that, you get a larger concept of knowledge in your brain that can make you richer. At number 2, we have an amazing book called The 48 Laws of Power. You probably know it. It's an amazing book. I have it. I have 2 of them. In short, the 48 Laws of Power are 48 laws that help you achieve financial freedom, helps you become above the government, and also it helps you on a day-to-day basis. How to be a better person, how to manipulate people, and how to change your life. I've read the 48 Laws of Power about 3 times now, and I can say one of the best books that I have read. I highly recommend you to pick it up, to read it, and to apply it. Talking about the 48 Laws of Power, let's talk about the 49th Law of Power with the help of 50 Cent. Together, Robert Greene and 50 Cent made the 49th Law of Power. It's the 49th Law of Power is by far the best law from those 48. And why do I say that? Because it teaches you how to manipulate the crowd, how to take the energy and how to apply it. And you even have an example with 50 Cent. Who doesn't know 50 Cent? Everybody does. At number 4, you have a war book called The Art of War by Sun Tzu. I have it here. I highly recommend it. It's super beneficial. It has changed my life. And with the help of that book, do you know what I do? I destroy tiny businesses and collect them into mine, becoming a bigger empire. You may think that's cruel, but no, I give them better pay, I help them, I achieve financial freedom for them. But in return, I get their brands. Write that down, that's super smart. I should pay you for that, but I don't, because I want to help you guys. Before we get into the rest of the books, go here, like the microphone, go, tap the description and look at what I offer, you can get it. Also drop a subscribe while you are down there. At number 5, this may sound controversial, but read the Bible. Yes, I'm not even joking. The Bible is a religious text that dates about 2000 years ago. Why would I need to read the Bible to become rich? I'll tell you. The Bible has many different stories and opportunities that you can learn from. Do I highly recommend it? Yes. Should you read the Bible first before any other book? No. Read a couple of books before, because the Bible is a hard book to understand, but if you do, I'm guaranteeing you that you're going to achieve that next level in your life. At number 6, you have a book by Patrick, Your Next 5 Moves. That book has literally created this YouTube channel. With me reading that book and analyzing what's inside, it's led me to create this YouTube channel, my TikToks, my other social platforms, my Twitter platform, my Facebook platform, my Instagram platform. So, that book applies. If you want to do the same as I am doing, then get this book immediately. Also, the author is worth about $300 million. So, he knows what he's saying. At number 7 is a bit banned, but you can still find it online. It's the Millionaire Master Plan. In this book, the author literally gives you what will happen to America in the next 10 years. Everything from stocks to crypto to everything that you need to know. You need to apply those things immediately and as soon as possible. Why? Because there's a new pandemic coming and I don't want to get destroyed by YouTube. So get the book, read, and become the better person. Before we get to the 8th book and the final one, I want to tell you why and how I got into reading. It was 2019. I was scrolling on my phone like a dickhead, and I came across of a video of Luke Belmar. It was something regarding books, and yeah, most of the books that are on this list are from him. Check that guy out. He's amazing. He's a true inspiration, and we should strive to become like him. And I read it. I guarantee you, in 15 days after I read it, I've made $10,000. At number 8 we have That's all I have to say. That book has made me rich. You should apply it. I also have a bonus book for you waiting here. Click on my Telegram, join. I'll share this video after 48 hours after the video has been uploaded. Have an amazing, beautiful day. I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon.